Good morning everybody and welcome to week 12 of our BIM course. That question for those who are listening online was, if we've almost finished and we want to query, what time? Does anybody have any questions?
Yeah, I've just got one question. I've almost finished the assignment. I was just wondering what style.
We've just had assessment 3, so has everybody had a look at assessment 3? Jamie in Toowoomba would like to catch up with anybody who's available after this assessment. Is anybody here available?